Apple introduced 4 new iPhone models in 2022. The differences between iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro models have been more significant. iPhone mini was replaced by iPhone 14 Plus. However, it seems that this model is just as much of a commercial failure as the mini version. Since 2017, Apple has introduced 3 different iPhones. In 2017, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X. In 2018, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR. In 2019, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. In 2020, Apple decided to introduce a 4th new iPhone to the iPhone 12 family, the iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 mini has never been considered a huge success compared to others. However, Apple tried to give the iPhone mini another chance in 2021 with iPhone 13 mini. This time with a slightly larger battery, but more was needed to drive sales up in 2022, so Apple introduced iPhone 14 Plus with same 6.7-inch screen size as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but at a lower price. But that did not work. And the possible reason could be the price. Demand for the iPhone 14 Plus is really low. Display shipments for the Plus model in December was close to zero. Instead of Apple cutting the entry price of the iPhone 14 to USD $699 and selling iPhone 14 Plus starting at USD $799, the regular iPhone 14 still costs USD $799, while iPhone 14 Plus starts at USD $899. But the thing is, you can get an iPhone 14 Pro for just USD 100 more, and it offers much more than the iPhone 14 Plus does. Why will anyone pay more money for a mediocre update, as iPhone 14 is an entirely different device than iPhone 14 Pro? It doesn't have the A6 chip. It doesn't have the new 48 megapixel primary camera or even the macro lens, and it doesn't have dynamic island. It's essentially an iPhone 13 with satellite connectivity. Now, Apple has been internally considering cutting iPhone 15 prices compared to iPhone 14 prices in response to the low demand for these models. It is still being determined exactly how much Apple will cut from the price. Again, the company is expected to introduce an iPhone 15 and an iPhone 15 Plus. And this time, the new display design with dynamic island will likely come for all models.